We on behalf of Suksar Union Bangabandhu High School and Abdul Hai Puja Language Club promise to learn with dedication and spread knowledge. We will respect our teachers, school, community, country, and its rules. We all stay honest, avoid corruption, and do good deeds. We will love our country, work for its people, and use English with confidence, and serve the nation. May Allah give us strength to make Bangladesh strong. Prosperous and proud. Amin.